Welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Questions, question number 25. And to this question, the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that is the most appropriate interpretation for each of the following statements. And this instruction, we're going to use it to answer question number 21 to 30. So this is question number 25. And to this question, the sentence here says, he came hat in hand asking me to feed his kids. He came hat in hand asking me to feed his kids. This means that. Now remember that we are talking about idiomatic expression, idioms, and our focus is hat in hand. And for something to be in hat in hand means to be humble, or to have immunity in apologetic way. So option A say he couldn't wear his hat again. Option B says he was asking for favor with humility. Option C say he was asking for food with his hat in his hand. Option D say he was ordering me to feed his kids. Option E say his kids were hungry. So by the explanation of hat in hand, the correct option here is option B. He was asking for favor with humility. Look at it here. He was asking for favor with humility. So option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.